Cool, so for this one, this is a bit of the longer one, no multiple choice anymore, which is good because it means you get more marks for it. So methanol can be used as a fuel in a variety of different ways, and then it shows you the structure of methanol there. An increasingly common use for methanol is as an additive in petrol. Methanol has been tested as an additive in petrol at 118 grams per litre of fuel. Calculate the volume of carbon dioxide in litres that would be released by the combustion of 118 grams of methanol. And it gives you the equation and says take the molar volume of carbon dioxide to be 24 litres per mole. So the key giveaway all the time with molar volume questions is that it tells you what the molar volume is. So we've got a mass of methanol, which is 118 grams, and then it gives you the molar volume of carbon dioxide, and also wants you to work out the volume of carbon dioxide. So that shows us these are the two chemicals we're going to use in our calculation. So I'm going to write their formulas underneath. And it's a 2 to 2 mole ratio because there's 2's in front of both of them, which means that essentially that can be cancelled down to 1 to 1. So that makes it a bit straightforward. The methanol, we've got mass, so we'll have we'll be using the NM-GFM relationship. So we'll list those underneath there. And then for carbon dioxide, we've got a volume and a molar volume, so that'll be NV and MV. So remember, the molar volume relationship you don't get in the data book, but it's very similar to the NM-GFM relationship. So you replace the M for a V and the GFM for MV. So we take the numbers down from the question. We've got 118 grams there. The GFM of methanol we can work out using our data booklet. So the formula is there, CH3OH. So that's 12 plus 3 plus 16 plus 1. So 32 grams for that. And then we've got the molar volume at 24 litres per mole. And then the volume is what we're trying to work out. So the units for molar volume should remind you that the volume you're calculating is in litres. So just don't forget your volume is going to come out in litres, which is fine because that's what the question wants. So for the number of moles, N is M over GFM. So that means we would have 118 over 32, which gives you 3.6875. So that's our number of moles here, which means it's the same number of moles on the other side because it's a 1-to-1 ratio. You can round at this point, but I don't really like rounding until the end. It also makes the exam marker's life a bit easier if you don't round in the middle of the calculation as well. So thanks in advance for that. So then volume will be, so if we turn this into a triangle, N and MV go on the bottom and then V goes on the top. So volume would be N times MV. So that would be 3.6875 times 24, which is 88.5 litres. So it's quite a large volume, but it was quite a large mass of methanol.